Well, moving on now, in West Bengal, Serampur, popular music director Bappi Lahiri is contesting his first ever election as a BJP candidate. He's challenging sitting Trinamool Congress Kalyan Banerjee. West Bengal used to be a triangular electoral battle featuring the ruling Trinamool Congress, the Left Front and the Congress. But this time, the BJP is hoping to get a toehold in. Mr. Modi has already had 3 rallies in the state so far.
Level of confidence, Kalyan Banerjee?
100%.
Your percentage of confidence today?
100%.
Both the leading candidates from Srirampur are equally confident, but for very different reasons.
And is it a Modi wave, or do you also feel there is a Mamta wave?
100% Modi wave all over India, not in West Bengal, everywhere.
Modi wave, Mamta wave?
ममता, हर घर में ममता, बार-बार ममता.
Caught in the middle of a campaign blitzkrieg by both BJP's Bappi Lahiri and Trinamool's Kalyan Banerjee, the voter torn. For the first time in years, they had to choose from a quartet of candidates. The CPM and the Congress too had thrown their hats into the ring, and votes are getting frantically split.
मोदी जी गुजरात से जो हम लोगों के पास अभी मॉडल है, ऐसे एज ए स्टेट वो मॉडल है हम लोग के पास, क्योंकि वो बहुत ही सक्सेसफुल स्टेट है. इसीलिए हम लोग खुद मतलब ऐसे सोच रहे हैं कि ये इम्पोर्टेंस बन गया है श्रीरामपुर.
यहाँ पे तो कोई मालूम नहीं चल रहा मोदी का.
So why has BJP set its cap for Bengal big time? The highest vote it ever got was 11% in 1999. Maximum number of MPs, 2. Yet it has fielded actor George Baker in Howrah, actor Joy Banerjee in Birbhum and journalist Chandan Mitra in Hooghly, besides Bappi, of course.
How can a national party like the BJP, which has grown so phenomenally, be, look at the mirror and see this huge gap when Bengal is not part of its ambit? So I think there was a conscious decision that we have to expand in the east, expand in Bengal, which is in many senses the land of our founders and forefathers.
So for the BJP, Bengal is a blank on their map that they want to colour saffron. This is their first serious shot at it. Come what may in 2014, they are here for the long haul. Rivals are already sitting up and taking notice. With camera person GD Shankar and Monideepa Banerjee in Srirampur, in New Delhi, Vega Bakshi for NDTV.